Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. So today I brought you guys this very simple video because I get a lot of questions on what I apply on my hair, which products I use on my hair once I post my picture anyway. That's the most popular question that I get, so I figured out I should show you guys once I come out straight from the shower after washing my hair what I apply on my hair. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing which products I use and what steps I use, then stay tuned. But first of all, if you're new to my channel and you haven't been here before, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos. Subscribe if you do find my personality interesting and my videos also, and share with your friends, share on your WhatsApp group, share on your Facebook and wherever, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But let's jump into the tutorial for today. Coming straight from the shower, I deep condition my hair using my egg treatment. I'm going to leave the link here so you guys can check it out if you want to know how I use egg to deep condition my hair for protein treatment. So yeah, products here. For my oil, I'm going to be using this hair repair coconut and baobab oil right here, and my Cantu leave-in conditioner mist here. And next I'll be using my leave-in conditioning lotion from Cantu, also shea butter leave-in conditioner lotion, and my own DIY shea butter mix that I have always at home with me. If you want to know how I do my shea butter mixture, I'm going to leave the link here so you can watch if you're interested in making yours yourself. And yeah, so let's get in. So when I normally come out from the shower, the very first thing I do after towel drying my hair or t-shirt, see my towel is having this very smooth side like a t-shirt, so that's why I'm using this. You can also use your t-shirt if you have one you don't use anymore. So directly I'll just spray my hair with some leave-in conditioner. So yeah, I'm just going to rub it in. It brings back your hair, like it feels soft and a little bit moisture on it again after towel drying it. So next is my oil, which I'm just going to open, and then I try to open my hair and apply it there. On my edges as well. So when I towel dry my hair, I don't make it super dry. There's still a lot of moisture, as you can see from my hands. Some is even dripping, as you can see. I don't like it too dry because then I don't like walking on my hair when there's no moisture in it. So yeah, after that I'll go in with my, this one smells so good, so I'll use it last. I'll go in with my shea butter mixture. I'm always very generous with it, like this quantity. So now I'm going to go in with this, my, I don't know what's happening with the I'm just going to open it. Since I got it, I don't know how to press it so it comes out from the mouth. So I'm going to just this quantity. It smells so nice. Yeah, so that is what I use to apply on my hair immediately after my wash routine. And right now everything is looking white because my hair is not dry yet, and in case I'm in a rush and I need my hair to be dry, I'll just go ahead and use my Thermal Shield Heat Protector by Cantu also, and just randomly spray it on my hair. Get my hand dryer. So I'm so sorry, my daughters came back from church and I had to stop, but I didn't blow dry my hair like super dry. It's my afro now. I'm just trying to puff it out so it will be bigger. And yeah, so that's what I apply on my hair each time I come out from my shower after my wash day routine. That's how I moisturize my hair. So it's like liquid, oil and cream, the lock method of applying moisture on your hair. So yeah, so if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and let me know your thoughts about my hair, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.